Friends, our topic today is cleanliness. Why should we follow Shuddhi or cleanliness? We always remind our children to wash hands, brush teeth, take bath and keep things tidy every day. Even during special occasions, rituals, festivals, and while visiting temples, our elders insist us to be clean. Why cleanliness is given so much importance? Because Shuddham Sukham Tarum is our ancestral saying in Tamil, which means cleanliness brings happiness. Shuddhi is a Sanskrit word meaning cleaning or purification. It means cleanliness of the body and mind. Let us know how we can achieve Shuddhi through Vayu or air. We all know the importance of breathing. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. This is one way to cleanse our body internally when done properly. The more we do pranayama, yoga technique, the more Shuddhi happens within ourselves. Meditation and chanting of mantras together help in creating positive vibrations around us. Through annam or food, giving right and healthy food to our body system helps in attaining Shuddhi. Our traditional foods gives importance to recipes which are medicinal by itself. Regular cleansing of our stomach was done by taking food that had medicinal qualities. You try to ask your grandmother or father how they used to be deworming regularly. Also, we do Anna Shuddhi, the food we consume to give the right food to our system. Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, if one offers to me with devotion a leaf, a flower, a fruit, or even water, I delightfully accept it. This only means that when anything is offered with love to Lord, it is purified. Food taken as prasad is a way of internal purification as it thins out our ego and expands our heart. Through gel or water, consuming tirtham, holy water, snan, bathing in sacred rivers, especially during Kumbh Mela, purify us. Water not only cleanses the body but also rejuvenates our mind. Even in our homes, we sprinkle auspicious Ganga gel for purifying the house. Through Agni or fire, as you all know, boiling the water kills the germs in it because Agni is a powerful purifier. It is for this reason Agnihotra or Homa are performed regularly. This cleanses the atmosphere around us very effectively. Performing Aarti at the end of daily puja also has the same intention. Through Chitta or mind, Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. This is the thought that we must pour into our mind every day, and it is the best cleansing agent for our mind because this feeling destroys the selfishness and helps us to work for universal welfare. Your words reflect your mind. The right way of expressing ourselves is Vak Shuddhi. In this, Vak Shuddhi means we should speak always the nice words. Sri Rama tells that Hanuman's speech is not too elaborate, not ambiguous, not dragging, not fast. In Ramayana 4.3.31, such a mastery in oration is possible only when there is a structural thought process and purity of mind. To conclude, a sound mind in a sound body is possible only when we purify ourselves in all the above mentioned aspects. So, we should all be ready to stay clean inwardly and outwardly. I think I have given elaborate information on cleanliness. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel.